Picture this. It's 2025, and the world of love has undergone a major glow-up. Relationships that work in this era are like fine wine, aged to perfection, full-bodied, and oh so satisfying. But just like a good vintage, they've got a unique flavor all their own. So if you're curious about what the future holds for your love life, keep an eye on these 7 key trends. They all tell you everything you need to know about the kind of relationships that are really gone, not hit. The spot in 2025. Relationships in 2025 are all about stability and long-term success. People are taking a practical approach to dating, focusing on finding someone who fits into their life's blueprint. Forget about whirlwind romances and impulsive decisions. Now it's all about carefully considering whether a potential partner can contribute to a stable and fulfilling future. Relationships in 2025 value real experiences over perfectly curated online personas. These insights will help you navigate the ever-evolving world of relationships. Remember, the future of love is exciting and full of possibilities, so keep an open mind. Embrace the changes and get ready for a love life that's better than ever before. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos that empower you on your journey to love and happiness. Till next time, take care. People are done with fake it till you make it syndrome and are instead embracing their authentic selves. It's no longer enough to have a picture-perfect social media feed. You've got to bring your true self to the table, flaws and all. People are seeking partners who accept them for who they truly are, not who they want others to think they are. This trend is all about embracing your quirks, celebrating your uniqueness, and being vulnerable with your partner. It's not always easy to be authentic, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you're looking to thrive in the dating scene of 2025, don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your weirdness, celebrate your imperfections, and be honest about your feelings. You'll be glad you did. Compatibility isn't just about shared interests and values anymore. It's also about having similar life goals and a shared vision for the future. This trend is a sign of emotional maturity. People are no longer willing to settle for less than they deserve in their relationships. They want something solid, something that can weather any storm. If you're part of this trend, don't be afraid to be upfront about your expectations. Look for someone who shares your values, goals, and who you can see yourself growing old with. No one micromance. People are looking for partners who not only understand their own emotions, but can also empathize with theirs. It's no longer enough to just be good-looking or have a killer sense of humor. You've got to bring your A-game when it comes to emotional intelligence. Communication is key, and people are seeking partners who can listen actively, express themselves clearly, and handle conflicts constructively. It's like having a personal cheerleader and therapist all rolled into one. Someone who believes in you, supports your dreams, and helps you navigate life's ups and downs. If you're looking to thrive in the dating world of 2025, invest in your emotional intelligence. Learn to communicate effectively, manage your emotions, and be there for your partner when they need it the most. Gone are the days when grand gestures ruled the romance world. Now it's all about the little things. Relationships in 2025 are all about leveraging your existing platonic relationships. People are recognizing that friendships can be a goldmine when it comes to finding romance. After all, friends know you best, and they want you to be happy. So if you're single, do you want to be afraid to let your friends set you up on blind dates or give you the inside scoop on their single friends? And if you're in a relationship, encourage your partner to hang out with your group of friends. Who knows? They might even find a new bestie and maybe even meet their future spouse. It's like having a built-in support system and matchmaking service all in one. Your friends have your back, and they'll be rooting for you every step of the way. So if you're looking for love in 2025, don't underestimate the power of the friend effect. In 2025, micromancers are the MVPs of relationships. Relationships in 2025 aren't just about shared values and interests. Now it's all about those niche passions that bring people together. Think K-pop, true crime podcasts, vintage sci-fi. Anything that lets you dive deep into a shared interest. These micro-communities foster a sense of belonging and provide a constant stream of conversation starters. It's like discovering a hidden gem of a restaurant. First, it might seem like a small, unknown place, but once you share it with others, it becomes a beloved hangout spot for both of you. Shared niche interests are becoming the secret sauce for building intimacy. And if you're already in a relationship, it's never too late to find them. Take a class, Join a fan club or start a podcast. Just have fun with it and let your shared passions be the guide. They sprinkle romance into everyday life with small, thoughtful gestures. Think leaving love notes on the fridge, planning surprise movie nights, or just sending a sweet text during the day. Grand gestures still have their place, but now they're reserved for special occasions. Instead of dropping down on one knee, micromancers show their love every day through thoughtful acts. They make their partner's life sweeter without having to wait for Valentine's Day. It's like pouring honey on toast. But for your relationship, a little goes a long way. No, too loud looking. In 2025, beating around the bushes so last year. Now it's all about clear intentions. People are done playing hard to get and are instead adopting a loud-looking approach. What does this mean exactly? Well, it means saying what you mean and meaning what you say. No more mixed signals or playing games. This trend is all about being upfront and honest about your feelings. If someone is interested in taking things further, they'll say so. And if they're not feeling it, they won't waste anyone's time beating around the bush. Loud looking isn't just about romance either. It's about all aspects of relationships. Friendships and family ties are also embracing this trend. It's refreshing and honest, and it's definitely here to stay. No. 3. On the same page. Number 4. Future-proofing. No. 5. Emotional intelligence as the new sexy. Relationships. In 2025, prioritize emotional connections over physical attraction. No. 6. The friend effect. Number 7. Authenticity over perfection. Whether you're single, dating, or in a long-term partnership,